Indus Shield-Chinese is a bilateral module of Exercise Indus Shield 2024, being conducted separately between Chinese and Pakistan Airforces at PF Base Rafiki. The exercise is witnessing the participation from People's Liberation Army Air Force of China, with its personnel and high-tech equipment comprising ESA radar and long-range BVR-equipped J-16 and J-10C fighter aircraft, lethal HQ-22 surface-to-air defense system, potent airborne electronic warfare YTG-9 platform, alongside KJ-500 airborne early warning system, pitched against PF's J-10C and JF-17 Block 3 fighter jets, simulating contemporary aerial combat scenarios. The inclusion of such advanced military capabilities underscores the exercise's objective to foster a robust understanding of modern air power employment dynamics among the participating air forces, aimed at validating interoperability between China and Pakistan in the face of contemporary air combat challenges, and to further consolidate the existing strategic partnership between the two nations. The exercise is a collaborative endeavor that facilitates the exchange of valuable insights and lessons learned. PF's commitment to operational excellence is evident in its comprehensive approach to training and joint military exercises, utilizing state-of-the-art facilities that ensure realistic training scenarios aimed at enhancing combat readiness. By simulating various military tactics in near-realistic multi-domain operations training environment, Indus Shield-Chinese has maximized the warfighting potential of both the participating air forces, alongside fostering mutual understanding and respect among the two nations' air forces. The successful execution of such a large-scale exercise reflects PF's dedication to enhancing regional security and stability. It demonstrates Pakistan Air Force leadership's strategic vision in promoting joint operational readiness among allied nations while addressing contemporary security challenges.